Hello everyone, and welcome to Cash Coaching. I'm thrilled to have you here, and I hope you're doing well. If you're looking to earn money online, boost your financial skills, or find free courses to grow your knowledge, you're definitely in the right place. Here, we focus on bringing you valuable information and resources to help you reach your financial and personal goals. Let me share a bit about how this channel started. The idea came from my own experiences and the countless hours I spent trying to find additional sources of income online. I realized that many of us are on the same journey, looking to increase our income or even transform our financial lives. That's why I chose this niche. I'm passionate about self-education, skill building, and taking advantage of the incredible opportunities the internet offers. I genuinely hope to be a guide for you along this path. Why my goal with this channel is to provide content that boosts your chances of success and gives you the best tools and resources to generate income online. What sets us apart here is our commitment to high-quality content, free courses, and tested ideas for creating additional income streams. Unlike promises that sound too good to be true, I focus on practical, real-world solutions and tools that make smart, profitable use of the internet. You are the only one I love. I also want to highlight how important your engagement is to me. I'm here to learn with you, and I'd love to hear your thoughts and suggestions. Any questions or ideas you have, feel free to share them in the comments. This really motivates me to keep going and make the content even better. And if you're finding value in what you see, please remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. As for the future, I have plenty of exciting ideas in store. I'm planning to add specialized educational series, hands-on projects to apply what we're learning, and even interviews with people who've found success in this field. Look forward to content that dives into new skills, helpful tips, and the latest strategies to earn money online. As for the future, I have plenty of exciting ideas in store. I'm planning to add specialized educational series, hands-on projects to apply what we're learning, and even interviews with people who've found success in this field. Look forward to content that dives into new skills, helpful tips, and the latest strategies to earn money online.